In this module, we will be reviewing the Tenable.io Google Chrome extension, installing it, and then using it. Tenable.io's web application scanning Chrome extension helps users easily create and manage scans by guiding the user through the required steps for setting up the scans. As well, and perhaps more importantly, it also greatly reduces the level of effort in successfully adding authentication to your scans by automatically recording the steps used in authentication. Let's begin. To download the Chrome extension, simply navigate to the Google Chrome Web Store. Once there, find the search box and type in Tenable.io Web. No need to finish the rest. It should be the only extension to pop up. Over to the right-hand side, click Add to Chrome. And then Add Extension. After successful installation, we should see that the option is in the top right-hand corner to expand the Tenable.io web application scanning for Chrome. I have now opened the Chrome extension for Tenable.io's web application scanner. Instead of needing to go through Tenable.io to create and configure my scan, I can do it all through the extension. I will select a new scan, and I will give it a name of the scan. I will be scanning the bank of Tenable with the Chrome extension. I'll give it the URL for the web application, and then I'll click Next. In order to begin recording the walkthrough of the authentication process, click Record in the bottom left. Note, this will open up a new browser. You can tell that Tenable.io is recording in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen if you see the flashing icon. Click the Sign In, and once you have signed in successfully, hit Done in the bottom right-hand corner. And you can see that Tenable.io has successfully recorded the steps to log in. Now, in order to ensure that the scanner will be able to log in successfully from these steps, let's go ahead and replay it. In order to replay it, we'll need to log out of the application. Select Log Out. Then head back to your Chrome extension and select Play. You can see that Tenable.io has successfully logged into the web application. Now we can save it in the bottom right-hand corner. Now, what the scan is asking for is a piece, an element in that web application that tells it that it has logged in successfully. You usually have two options. One may be your username, the other may be the logout. I will select Logout, and you can see we've recorded that element successfully. In the bottom right-hand corner, we will select Done, and we are all set. Now we can head back into Tenable.io, locate the scan, and then we can run it from here.